Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi Y3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change navigation buttons or mirror buttons in Redmi Y3 smartphone. See here, back button is available on the right side, home button is in middle, and menu button is on left side. If you want to change this, go to settings and click on full screen display. Here mirror buttons available, just turn it off. Yes, the buttons are mirror now. So back button goes to left and menu button comes to right. See the changes. If you want to have the old settings, again go to the settings and click on full screen display and turn on mirror buttons. You can also use full screen gestures. So mirror buttons are hidden now. There is no navigation buttons visible, but you can use swipe action to navigate. See the demo here. If you swipe up and hold, the menu will be coming. That is, recent tabs will be coming. So in this way, you can change navigation or mirror buttons in Redmi Y3 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.